Base44.
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 And Base made it possible.
Maybe we can do it with Base.
So by now you have probably heard of Base44. I mean, it's everywhere. They're running a lot of ads here on YouTube. And in this video, we want to see what you can actually do with Base44. I will show you this step by step. You just have to follow along. And I would say, let's dive in. So this is Base44. Quick reminder, you will find the link to it down in the video description, just the first one. And if you click on it, you can sign up for free and try everything out while we talk about this. So here on Base44, it says build powerful apps and websites. And once you have clicked on the link down below, you can click on build now. And then you can sign up with an email or with your Gmail account. And once you've done this, you will land on this page here. So you have apps and super agents, but we will go over the apps first, and later on I will show you the super agents because this is new. It came out like a week ago and it's like an AI agent working for you. So stick around till the end. It's going to be fun. And here you can just describe whatever app you want to build. So you can just type it in. You can upload some images or something, some files from Google Drive, or you can start planning with the AI. But I have an idea already, so I can just start talking to the AI. Hey, I want to build an app, like an interior design app, where people can upload a picture of their room and then they can choose a style, for example, Scandinavian or farmhouse. And then the app will create a new interior design and just create this app for me. And then you can stop it. And now the AI has transcribed what I just told it to do. And then we can just go over it, read through it. And if you're fine with everything, then you can just send it to the AI and it will take you to the editor of Base44. And now the AI will make sense of your prompt. So it will start planning the app for you and it will start designing the app for you. And then it will start writing the code for you. So here the AI is getting to work. And usually it takes like 1 or 2 minutes and then the app is done. So let's wait for this, but meanwhile I just want to show you what I have built with Base44. I'm signed up for like 2 months already, but I've built so much, as you can tell here, all the tabs. These are all projects. So let's take a look. And this is the website. I needed a new website and I just told Base44, hey, just build me a website, uploaded a picture of mine, linked my YouTube channel and my website coaching here, and then it started pulling all the data and it created me this beautiful website. So with all the tools I'm covering in my tutorials, my website coaching here, and some section about myself, what I do and why I'm doing this. And it also created my blog posts here. So everything is done and it took me like half a day maybe and a couple of prompts, and it built me the entire site with a contact page, with a tutorial page, the blog post page, and so on. And what used to take like 2 weeks in total, now it's just taking a day and then you're done and you have a new website and you can publish it with Base44, get your own domain, connect it to the site, and then your website is live. And it's really fun. It's just not as complicated as it used to be because you can just tell the AI to do the entire work for you. And I really love that. And I also have an online course about how to use AI tools in your daily life. And when you start a course, you have to think of a course platform like Coursera or Kajabi or Thinkific or whatever their names are. But I thought, why pay another subscription? I can build this on Base44. And I did. So this is the landing page and people can pay by credit card, pay by PayPal, and it's all managed via Stripe. Probably you heard of it. Stripe is like a global payment provider and you can integrate this with Base44. And when people purchase the course, then they will land on the course page right here. And then they can watch the video, click next, watch the second video of the course, try out the tool, click next, and so on. And down here, you also have an overview of all the course content and they can just browse through the course and finish the course. And again, I didn't need to pay for another subscription and the course is built. I love that. Now I have the website live and I have my AI course and everything already on Base44. And then I was building something for myself because I am a YouTuber and sometimes I watch podcasts, but sometimes they are too long, like 2 hours, and I'm not down to watch the entire podcast. So here people can just paste in the link of the YouTube video and then they get a summary which they can export to Notion. And I tried it for myself a couple of times and it worked great. And then I thought, why not make a premium package out of this so people can also purchase it for $5.99 a month, and the payment is also via Stripe. And I ran some traffic via Google Ads to it, and already some people bought the subscription and they're using it. So, and this took me like 1.5 days to build because I had to integrate another service and integrate Stripe. But guys, 1.5 days. I mean, it's crazy how fast you can launch like an MVP, a product with it. And yeah, I just really enjoyed that product, and it's currently running, collecting subscribers. And when I reach a certain level, I might make the next iteration and get like a developer on board who can take this to the next level. But for now, like a first product, it works really great. And then I didn't stop there. I built another tool for me because I'm a YouTuber and I always like to watch other channels, what they're doing. So I called it Trend Spy, because here I can just add channels and then it will pull me the last 50 videos of the channel. So for example, this channel is a good one. This channel is also really good. And the best part is I created a logic which marks me the outliers. So for example, here, this video got like 1,700 views. This video got like 4,800 views, but this video almost got 300,000 views. So it's definitely an outlier of this channel. And for me as a YouTuber, this shows that this is a good topic to cover. And I might consider to do my next video about this topic. And with one click of a button, I have all the outliers from all the channels I'm following. So for me, this saves a lot of time because I don't have to go on every channel and do the calculation in my head, look at the views, because here I have the distilled overview of all my favorite channels and all their outlier videos of the last 2 months or weeks. So I can just go through and see what kind of topics are trending. Right now, it's definitely OpenClaw on Claude Code. And yeah, I might make a video about this in the future. So I really love this about Base44, that it's so quick to build your own apps. And this really has a value for me. Normally, I would be happy to pay like somewhere between 30 and 40 bucks for this, but now I can just build it with Base44 in one Sunday afternoon. And it's, yeah, I don't know. I would invite you. You will find the link to Base44 down in the video description. You can always try it out for free. But since I was so busy with the entire thing, building this, building my website, my course, I needed to track my time. And normally I also would buy like a tool for that. But then I thought, why not build a time tracker with Base44? So I built myself a time tracker, and here some words are in German. Sorry, sometimes my browser is in German, but you can see the activities, research or thumbnail design or cutting. And then I can just go in and say, okay, I spent 30 minutes on cutting and 60 minutes on thumbnail design. And I can even click here start. So for example, the research phase is starting and then the time is counting down for me. And the best part is now, of course, this is fun, but I need an overview of what I did the last few weeks. So I can go in here to the weekly overview, and then I can tell, okay, I spent a lot of time here on the final editing in this week, and in the week before I spent a lot of time on the AI course, which makes sense. I mean, creating a course is a lot of work, but now I can see what activities take me a lot of time to finish, and then I can either get better at it, or I can outsource it to a freelancer, or I can hire someone, for example, like an editor who edits my videos for me because I'm spending so much time on it. So yeah, I think this is great. I'm using it, and it's another app I have built with Base44. And let's continue. I'm also, for my personal investment, I try to track like hedge funds, and then I thought, why not build like a dashboard where I can track my hedge fund, which I'm currently following. And I just built this tracker and I see their position, so what stocks they're buying and what changed and for what prices they purchased the entire thing. So that also helps me personally where I invest my money, because I'm tracking this guy here, Leopold Aschenbrenner, where he is invested right now because he has a really good track record. So this was another tool I have built. But you can do also a lot of fun things with Base44. So I have also built this night runner game. So you can just go ahead and click here. Oh, no, it's a game over. I'm not really good at it, but you can, as you can see, you can create your own games, and you can even start selling this game. So Base44 didn't stop only at apps, it also allows you to create some games. And I think for now, this sounds a lot of fun. And let's check back what our Room Styler app says, if it's done. So we can go back here, and I will refresh this really quick here, this page. And now the app is done. So it built us a homepage. So for example, this is the homepage, and people can see what the app is doing and how it works. And they can even purchase it for $15. But let's try it out. So we can click on try for free. And then we have 5 free credits, and we can upload it like a picture. And let's get a room picture here. And now I can choose a style, for example, Scandinavian, and I can add any special request, but I'm good for now, and click redesign. And now it should go ahead and create us a new room in a Scandinavian look. And remember, we just gave it one prompt. So we just told it, hey, please create this app, and it already gave it a name. It created the entire style for us and the design of the website, and hopefully also the functionality. So let's see if it's working. And I'm always amazed by it. Now it's working. So you can see it created a new meeting room for us here in a Scandinavian look. And I don't know about you, but I think AI is coming for us. It's too good. Like, people can download it, but people can upgrade here. So for $15 they can buy unlimited creations. Right now they just have 5 credits, and one was already deducted because we used it. So the whole logic, the entire logic is working. So we've just built this app, and we can just go ahead and publish it to the web. So just click publish, and then you even get a free domain from Base44. So this is live online right now, and people can start using it. So you can send it over to a friend, you can send it over to family and colleagues, and they can check out your app. I think it's crazy. Like, it's a new world we live in. The AI and Base44 really made it possible that all of us now can create apps, and you can even launch them to the App Store and the Play Store. You just have to register as a developer there, and then you can send it over. But first, when you want to keep it professional, you can, here on the dashboard, you can buy your own domain. This also works inside Base44, so you can just click on buy domain, and then you can buy it via a service called Ionos. You type in your domain name, and then you can purchase it. And after like half an hour, it's connected. You can see it here, and it will be connected to your site. And you have a lot of integrations. So for example, you can integrate Stripe, so people can pay you for whatever you're offering. And you have other integrations like Gmail, LinkedIn, Google Calendar, Google Analytics, Outlook, Slack, Notion, and so on. So you can build a lot of apps doing something for you. So you, for example, you could build an app which posts like a LinkedIn post for you regularly, depending on your field of work, for example. And yeah, I have a lot of videos on this on my channel. I will link them in the description for you, so you can check this out. In this video, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what you can do with Base44. And hopefully by now I've already convinced you, because I think this is an amazing app. But let's check out what else you can do, because this is like the app and website development. So we've built our own website, we've built our own online course, and we've built our own app. But there's a thing called, let's go back to the workspace. There's a thing called Super Agents right now. And Super Agents were launched like last week. So this is very fresh. And with Super Agents, you can just go in and you give the Super Agent a name. I called my Super Agent Jeff, and then I just gave him tasks. So for example, here under tasks, you can see, okay, he takes my YouTube video, which is posted every Sunday, for example, and he writes me a blog post with this, and he checks my mail every day, and he answers my mails for me. So he writes up a draft, so I just have to click send. And he's also doing a LinkedIn post out of my YouTube video. So whenever I post a YouTube video, he's automatically doing a LinkedIn post for me. And the best part is Jeff has a brain. So Jeff learns about himself. So you can tell him how he should behave, and you can tell him a lot about yourself. So I told him a couple of things about myself. So whenever he's doing something for me, he has his knowledge about me, and he has even his own memory, and he will learn more and more about what he's doing for you. So he's definitely like a personal AI assistant for you. And even here you have all the integrations, like you can integrate Salesforce, Slack, Notion, Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot, TikTok, Wix, and so on. And when every of these tools is connected to your AI super agent, then he can start working for you. He can write new blog posts for you. He can write LinkedIn posts for you. And you can even connect it to WhatsApp, so you can talk to him on the go. And as said, I did that. So these are the tasks. And for example, I just received an email, like a collaboration request from NovaFlow. So in here, he's just declining the offer. And when I'm happy with this and I don't want to cooperate with them, then I can just click send, and it will be sent, and I didn't have to write an email for this. And last time I published a video here on my German channel about building an app with Base44, and it automatically created me this LinkedIn post, and he put in the the link to the tutorial, the link to Base44, and he even added some hashtags for me, which I think is pretty cool. And you can see it does get impressions, so it works. And I don't have to worry about this anymore because LinkedIn is now managed by my assistant, Jeff. And he did the same with my blog. I know it's in German, but you get the idea. So he wrote up an entire blog post based on the transcript of the video. So this is the video which came out. It's basically saying build your own app. And he wrote an entire blog post for me, and he even put in the partner link for myself. So I don't have to do this at all. So yeah, I think this is pretty amazing. Now I don't have to worry about this anymore because Jeff is doing it. And yeah, you can call your agent whatever you want, but these are basically the main functionalities of Base44. So you have your app builder, and you can start building your own apps, your own websites, and even your own games. And nowadays you also have Super Agents, which is kind of an answer for them to OpenClaw or Claude Cowork. And I like this one better because it doesn't have full control over your browser or your computer, because you can just integrate it with the tools you want and with the APIs you want, and you can give it limited access. For example, I just gave it reading access to my YouTube channel and not writing access, so it can't do anything, it can't delete anything. And that's very different to OpenClaw, which is kind of wild to think about it, because this tool OpenClaw can have access to everything, and this is why a lot of people are not using it on their own machine. They buy an extra iMac, for example. So I like it a lot, the development of Base44. And yeah, I think the market is right to value this tool because a lot of people buying subscriptions right now because you can do so much. And as said, when you want to try it out, you will find the link down here in the video description. And when you click on it, you will land on this page. And here you can sign up for free and you get 25 credits a month. So you can speak to the AI 25 times, and next month they renew, and then you are on the free plan. But once you feel like you need to upgrade, you can just click on upgrade plan and it will bring you to this page. And here you can see the starter plan starts at $20 and the builder plan, which I'm currently on, starts at $50, and you will get way more credits and you can create more websites, more apps, and so on. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you will find the comment section down below. And now enjoy Base44. I think it's a great tool. I have built so much with it and I can't wait to build more. So you see in the next video, maybe how to build an app.